Are we live? Alright guys, I think we're back. I'm going to turn the mic off for a sec while I troubleshoot some stuff. And ATV, yes I can. Remember, check out Pinterest. I'm pretty sure in a couple of the other live streams today, which is like a 4-part series apparently, I actually had mentioned that Pinterest, when it was popped here around 57, I was like, oh, it kind of looks good, and we kept scanning past it, so we kind of missed out on the possible, I think these contracts went like crazy. Last change. I know some of these contracts went like 1,000% or something like that. But anyway, let's just see. Let's go to the customization tool. Oh yeah, so you can see some of these contracts went crazy. Just even the daily. Kinda nuts. Let's see what happens there. So anyway, forget Pinterest. Kind of lost that opportunity. It might bounce and fly. Activision looks really good into earnings. I know that it's been beat down quite some often from 100. You're kind of getting an interesting channel here to the upside. I don't know if you can see this. But you could probably project that we get back to $83 and play the run up into earnings. So just need some volume. The volume's been a little bit low, but you can even see on the weekly, we're just getting this momentum shift to the upside. Personally, I think Activision should be around like 85 to 90 bucks a share. Not really much lower than that, but we'll have to see how the earnings work. So I'm getting excellent connection on my end for the stream. So hopefully this works. Hopefully it's not too deadly. The Boeings, so just a quick update. Those are down 15% from open from when we got them. We did get them around $77, so we kind of got them in the move to the upside here. They ended up hitting in 87 to 90 cents a contract, and then came down all the way to 55 cents or minus 30%. Right now the contracts are floating under itself 5%, not my position, but the actual contract themselves. So what we're looking to see is we kind of need Boeing to kind of consolidate between this 217, 218 and kind of bounce above 218.50 for a move to the upside and hopefully get out of this sticky little danger consolidation zone. Below 217.18, these probably could get clapped back down into 216 or below. So just keep an eye on that. Overall, I think we're just sitting in a squeeze here on the hourly or so. So yeah, so this is a, this is a bullish flag if we can kind of continue this pickup here. If we can kind of bounce there, we may see a low of 217, a break, 217.20, a break below into that could kind of screw us up here. So just be cautious, careful, and proactive. It is day one. They expire at the end of the week, so just keep that in mind. But overall, I do like Activision. We were talking about that, so it is up about 1% on the day. So probably look to maybe make a play on this later on sometime. I guess we'll check Pinterest and just keep an eye on that since it's the hot stock of the day. And hopefully, yeah, so now we're kind of moving and grooving a little bit here. I personally feel like Pinterest should reject this, but then again, just got to see what happens. Yeah, no problem, Rob. I think Pinterest might reject it for 70 share because I'm pretty sure they make really good profits on ad revenue themselves and advertising. But we'll see what happens. Could be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. So anyway, for the most part here, we're just kind of sitting tight. Not too much going on the day. Kind of a continuation chop zone from yesterday. Like I said, we're kind of just, we're trying to make a quick move on Boeing. We kind of got it, kind of let it slip a little bit. So just kind of keeping an eye here. Overall, I mean, it's still in a squeeze and this could get a move. We'll just have to see how it plays out. Probably by the half of the day. What was the ticker that I liked before? All this came off. Alright. Straight out Amazon. Whoops. Amazon. Oh, Amazon was a nice short this morning. so stop loss is hitting on the Boeing for those who are feeling a little bit more sensitive to their portfolio. Is it me or does Amazon look kind of juicy? Kind of looks pretty juicy for the 3550s. All right. Come on, Boeing, we know you just wanna go to the moon. I feel it. Our work is not done here. There's still work to be done. What to do with QQQ? Well, QQQ and SPY, just a quick market update. Kind of look like they're at all-time highs. QQQ is actually red on the day, about 0.05%. However, zoom out, and you will see that we're still in a... Let's see if I can get it here. Remove here. Let's remove this. So you'll see this is the weekly chart. It's actually curling back up, and even on the daily you'll see that there's a technical pattern called the inverse head and shoulders. Let me just clear the whole chart here, show you quickly. So this chart pattern is very clear and evident. You could actually see it right here. Bang, 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 bang. So you can see right here, it's actually leveling out practically to 380. So this is what's called an inverse head and shoulders. This is your head, these are your shoulders. When you kind of break this neckline is how you can tell. So, or actually this neckline here between the head and the shoulders, right? And that's what you're seeing, this ramp. So you should see in the upcoming weeks, we're kind of getting some slower momentum here, less volume today on the Qs, probably just due to the fact it's at the end of the week. Well, we're technically midweek, but just lower volume in general. In my opinion, not financial recommendation, but once we break this 380-180 into the 380-280 right here and break these all-time highs, we should probably push a lot higher, and you'll actually see on a bigger time frame here that let's see, let's just put it here back to the 1 year week. There's the inverse head and shoulders. Here are some EMAs. So let's look at the 50-day, 100-day, 50-day, 200-day, and 300-day moving average. Right on the daily, you'll see right here that we actually, every time we've dipped into this 50-day moving average, we've kind of had a pretty good recoil for about 2 to 3 months. And so I'm expecting the same thing here, right? Dip into the 50-day moving average, kind of cross above and out of it, and we may probably recoil for the next couple of months and push into all-time highs. So it's a little update on the Qs there. Intraday, choppy movement here. It's just been consolidating sideways or trading sideways, so not expecting much. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Looks like Boeing's kind of getting away from that 217 level. Exactly where we want it. 218 and above, baby. 218 and above. Remember, you don't lose until you close your position. Or until it literally goes to, well, actually, yeah, until you close. Could go to zero. I've had option contracts go to minus 100% and bounce back to 100%, so it ain't over till it's over, baby. If you know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying. Just kidding. But I'm not a singer. Come on, let's get that next leg up. This was 4 points. We just need 4 more points here. We'll be almost at the money for tomorrow. Come on, Boeing. We know you can do it. You can do it all night long. Name that movie. Name that movie. If you know, you know. I hate about playing Boeing, though, I'll be honest, I love Boeing because the premiums are so cheap at the money for the most part, or like 1 or 2 contracts away. But what I hate about Boeing is Boeing could have literally negative news any moment of the day, just like any other stock. But when Boeing hits that news, it like reacts so crazily. It's actually concerning. Here comes Boeing, baby, yeah, yeah. Do 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 do. Here comes Boeing, yeah, yeah. Oh, the Boeing is coming back to life. The Boeing is doing alright. Boeing back to life. Yeah, Dracula. The upside down bat. Oh, you're talking about the reference before? You can do it all night long. I'll give you another hint. It's an Adam Sandler movie. It's an Adam Sandler movie. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Gotta find another crazy Amazon play or something like that. That's what we love those, huh? Everybody really like those. The animal? I don't think it's the animal. Actually, I think it's is that the name of the movie? No. Close. Swing, but a miss. Should I tell you? Should I say the answer is the question? I don't think yet. I don't think so yet. I think we press on. Someone will get it. Someone will get it. Someone will guess the movie reference of choice. I feel it. I feel it. Do 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 do. Alright, baby. I got good vibes on Boeing. Just good vibes. I'm staring at Amazon so hard right now. Got good vibes on Amazon. Real good vibes. I want to see Amazon pop diddly to the moon again. Because we love Amazon. We love the Amazon. We love Amazon. We love Amazon. Alright, did we get the movie reference yet? Are we... Oh, Waterboy, let's go! Yes, Waterboy. The classic. Do I hit another lotto on Amazon? Do we do it? Do we do it? This could go absolutely nuclear. What if I just kept cawing like a hawk? What do we have here? Facebook? The Facebookian. In other related events, Facebook is changing their name from Facebook to like something really interesting. Facebook fined 70 mil? Bro, how is Facebook still performing? Literally, Zuckerberg does not go down. I am convinced. Prove me otherwise. Just prove me otherwise. And the Boeing is coming for 219. Do 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 do. Sha da 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 da. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I already did this now. Bum 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 bum. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. The Boeing is poppin', yeah yeah. Boeing is poppin'. The Boeing is poppin', yeah yeah. No one felt it before. Do 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 do. La 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 la. Ya na na da pam pam. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Did you just? No, I didn't buy an Amazon Lotto, but I might. I might. Feel free to chat me in the YouTube chat, not Twitter, just so I see your comments. I don't mind chat me in Twitter too, but just want to see your comments intraday too. Boeing popping with the 10%. We're back. We're back. Sup? Hey, what's going on, big man? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. I see you killing it in the crypto community. I see you. BTC 66 plus, baby. Remember when I went to long crypto and pulled out like a paper-handed little girl? There goes Boeing, yeah. I don't even know what you want from me. I don't even know. Boeing 15, please. Do 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 do. Wow. Do 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 do. Give me $1 on my premium. Trying to make premium. Do 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 do. Let's get that next leg up on Boeing. Y'all don't feel me. Y'all don't. We just need momentum. Look at that. Just a classic. We should leg up at least 2 points from this 218.5. We should close 225. If we don't, I'm gonna be salty. It'll probably be like a long drive into the end of the day or something, because the volume's low. I mean, momentum kicked in on that 15-minute candle, so we'll see. We'll see what it is. We'll see what it is. Do 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 do. Where's Spy? Oh, Spy coming with the leg up too. Do 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 do. See, I'm not even gonna be happy about Boeing until we're at 220s. Until we're priced at 220s, then I'll be content. Until then, never. Jeffrey Black, welcome back to the chat, baby. We love you and we thank you for being here. We thank everyone for being here, actually. So Jeffrey Black asked a pretty interesting question. I think everyone was kind of cautious of that 8,000 percenter on Amazon potential. That was actually pretty life-changing. If you threw like $1,000 at it, I think the profits would have been like 500K almost. So pretty crazy to think about. But anyway, he was asking if I was getting into Amazon. Sadly, I have not made a move on it yet. I shouldn't say sadly. That still gives everyone the opportunity to. So, not really sadly yet. I'm really about to do something crazy. No one else is spotting this. All right, if anyone can tell me, I'm gonna give you all some context here. I don't know. Let's see if this is. Let me see something real quick. Let's increase the price of Axis by 20%, just so I can see what's going on up here. All right, let's get this to 0. There we go. Get that to 0. There we go. Let's activate this across here. Hopefully that's even. And it's not really. But hold on. How am I gonna get the top line up more? Whatever. It is what it is. Can y'all see what I see on this? Can y'all see what I see on this? Let me know what you see here. This is on the weekly chart, put on the 1 year, 1 day. I'm just gonna leave that there. Gonna leave this here. It's within this channel. You can see what I see. You're gonna be killing the game. Do 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 do. Usually I have music on the stream, but for some reason... Oh, Pasquale killing it. Not really. Close, close. Something similar. Something similar. Well, actually, you got something kind of intriguing, but there's all right. Let's say, so Pasquale got the inverse Head and Shoulders. So this would not necessarily be inverse Head and Shoulders, only because of the fact that the head of this, whoops, right. If this was the head, right, inverse Head and Shoulders looks like this. This is inverse Head and Shoulders. Right? That's the inverse. Here's the, I'll give you patterns. Here's a head and shoulders. The complete flip side of that. Chart patterns. So that's the head and shoulders. Kind of looks similar here, except the invalidation here. But there's something else. Let's do, you have a double top. When the stock kind of retraces exactly to the point, then rejects. There's a double bottom, maybe. All right. I'm gonna clear the drawing set and I'm gonna do this one more time. Let's do this. Let's tighten it up. Let's tighten the ranks up. This is where we're looking in this channel here. So I can get this to 0. This is what we're looking at. So give you guys a freebie. Triple bottom. Ah, close. Close, but not it. But I'm gonna give it to you because he got it there. Test resistance. Yeah, I like the resistance test also. So you can see 34.26 here. So what are we looking at? This is a possible double bottom, right? Here's the double. These two candles, and now here's the push. So what we're looking at is for a resistance test. Keep switching the mouse wrong. So we're looking for a move like that, back into 370s, right? Test all-time highs, maybe into earnings. So for the Lotto Friday, I'm thinking about taking the 3600. Sounds crazy. Sounds wild. But here's our weekly candle, right? So let's just say that we break 3450. This is last week's run, including Friday. $35.85, right? With the momentum pushing to 3600, wouldn't it be too shabby? It's a little bit risky because you kind of need this to happen intra-week, so in the next 2 days. So that's why we do it on the Lotto account. So let's see here what we got in BP. Got about 257 on this Lotto account. I'm going to take a starter position, and I'm just going to take one. Do 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 do. This is not part of the Robinhood challenge. This is just my own Lotto account. See if we get filled on the downside here. Oh, cool. So we got one for 80 cents. This is a weekly. This will most likely expire worthless. This is not a recommendation. This is nor financial advice. This is only institution. Read the disclosure down below. You know what I'm talking about. You know what it is. You know what it is. Do 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 do. Oh, this time, you know what? Let's do something crazy. I'm gonna post it on Twitter. just for the record being, but you saw it on the live stream here, so maybe some people will run back. Just maybe. Should we put on Twitter, or should we just bless the people who may be watching the live stream today? I think we should just keep it to the live stream. You guys came in, y'all woke up, y'all came to play, y'all came to watch, support. I'm gonna let you guys choose. I'll give it to end of day. Do. There's a poll there coming to you. We'll let the poll rack up. Please give a vote. Should we drop the play outside the live stream? Yes or no? Let me know when you see the poll. Do 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 do. Ooh, 50-50 so far with the yes or no. 50-50 so far with the yes or no. 50-50. Do 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 do. Oh, the poll's switching. The poll's switching. I like it. We'll give it till 3 o'clock. Oh, plenty of time for opportunities. The poll's switching. Plenty of time. We'll give it till 3 o'clock. Plenty of time for opportunities. Plenty of time. Do 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 do. Remember, Lotto Friday means that this can go 2-0 very easily, so it's not guaranteed. But it looks good. Remember, Lotto Friday means that this, in my opinion, 2-0 very easily, so it's not guaranteed. But it looks good. Remember, Lotto Friday means that this, in my opinion, do 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 do. I don't know why I have like the Charlie Brown theme song in my head. It's a very interesting choice of music today. I don't know why I have like the Charlie Brown theme song in my head. It's a very interesting choice of music today. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. It is we're already up 6%. So as long as we hang above what 80 cents. What did we get at? The mark's at 85.5. Oh, we're already up 6%. Could change any moment. So watch Amazon. Amazon could just come down with the market. So. But it's a swing. Amazon could just come down with the market. It's a swing. Oh, wait a minute. It's a swing. Okay. Someone said inverse head and shoulders in the chat. Oh. Someone said inverse head and. Okay. Oh wait, someone said head and shoulders. Someone said inverse head and shoulders. Just head and shoulders. Someone said inverse head. Wait. Oh wait. I could have swore someone said inverse head. Someone said it, right? I'm not crazy. Someone retracted their message. I could have swore someone said inverse head. Someone said it, right? If you said head and shoulders, please let me know. Because if you were looking at the 4 hour, you know what I'm saying right here? Please let me know. Do. I mean, it's not like complete, but it is interesting. You know what I'm saying right here? Do. I mean, it's not like complete, but. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. Alright, give me 1 sec, guys. Be right back. And we're back, baby. Hey, and for those who took the call, Adam and Eve for sure. Oh, you already know what it is. Pasquale, you can't. Hey, baby, remember, Adam and Eve for sure. Stay confident, baby. It's okay to be incorrect. That's what we're here for. We learn. If something goes wrong, we learn from it. We learn from our mistakes. We learn from our challenges and our trials. But you're never going to know if you're right if you pull back. Can't always pull back. Just got to proceed forward. So if you did take that call, we are technically up already 20%. Wow, that was quick. So that's probably just like the premiums adjusting and stuff like that. And maybe some open interest increase. Possibly. Here's the chart. Maybe some open interest increase. Possibly. Dang, the open interest is up there. Got about 6K in open interest. So we'll see how it plays out. Looks like Amazon's bear flagging through the day at least. However, the premiums are holding a little bit, so Not too mad about that.
Looks like Amazon's
As long as the premium, and the nice thing about this is there's about a 9 cent premium difference between the bid and the ask. So far, not too bad, not too shabby. Let's see what the Kenny Codes algo says. Amazon call already up. You already know what it is. Can't get too cocky though, because that can get clapped any minute. You already saw what happened to me on Boeing. Actually, I'm still in Boeing, so. Do 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 do. This algo has been really iffy lately, so we'll see. We'll see. There we go. Ba 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 da do 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 do. Just be careful, because the Amazon premiums go crazy. Sometimes they make you not know what to do. I kind of hope the premium comes down a little bit. I want to get it a little bit cheaper, but there's an echo. That's not good. I kind of hope the premium comes down a little bit. I want to get it a little bit cheaper, but let's try that. There's an echo. That's not good. Can you hear me now? Are we still echoing? Can you hear me now? Oh ho ho ho! Are we still echoing? Can you hear me now? Oh ho ho ho! Are we still echoing? Oh, there is an echo. Oh, there is an echo. Oh, see, Boeing back to 15% down. Come on, Boeing. You're better than that. Alright, let's see if we could adjust some of this here. Check, check. Can we hear? Check, check. Can we hear? Oh, I think I'm coming in real clear now. Oh, I think I'm coming in real clear now. Although it's looping. Whatever. I'll have to fix that later. Although it's looping. Whatever. I'll have to fix that later. Oh, wait a minute. Guys, do you know why it's looping? Because I have the live stream up and it's not on mute on another window. Let's see if that helps. I think mute should be on. There we go. I think we're good now. I think we Gucci. Very interesting to see these premiums just like going up. Yeah, it was coming in from Modder. I had another window behind all this stuff. RIP. So it looks like Boeing double topped on the day. So we'll see how this plays out throughout the rest of the day. You can see a 5-minute double top there. Like I said, 217.18 has been support this whole time, so hopefully we don't fall through that. But if we do, it is what it is. I think our low was 217.10, yeah. Let's try to move this down a little bit. I'm gonna try to swing, but ooh, Amazon coming down, but our premiums are coming up. Oh, I wonder if these are being sold. That's possibly what it is. Ooh, market dropping a bit here. Let's see, someone must be saying something. So 13-1 Fed Quarles says support decision at November meeting to reduce Fed's asset purchases and taper by mid-2022. Interesting. Oh, there's our Amazon drop. So the spread is all wacky. Just not even gonna look at it. Oh, Boeing coming down. So we're at stop loss. Curious to see where Amazon ends the day. Well, apparently it looks like someone was. I just saw the news headline there. Someone was taking a. Whoops. There we go. Bearish position in Amazon. So we'll see what happens. But I don't know. Amazon's one of those things. So last Friday, the reason Amazon surged and there was like an 80% pop, or the play went 8,000% or whatever, was not anything crazy. There was no news on Amazon. It was just retail traders kind of pushing it higher. I think that institutions might be kind of pulling this down a little bit so they could sell calls, if anything, into the earnings, depending on what Amazon does. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, it's all the lotto count. So whatever happens, happens. I could probably see Amazon just like completely dump the bed here. So let's see, it's down already 1%. We're catching it on a down day. So it's all good. See if it catches support around 33.90. If it stays above 3,400, that'd be great, but we'll have to see. Let's see where our contracts are. And I actually wonder, its momentum is up, so this could just be a drawback, pullback day from this. So we'll see. Some divergence in the volume and price action. Could be coming back to support before another leg up. Do 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 do. Below VWAP. Oh, watch Boeing 217s. There's that treacherous area. So we're now breaking below, so Boeing may actually butter through this. Most of the market's actually getting pulled back across the board, so Facebook coming down, pretty much everything. I'm gonna put Boeing over here, SPY and QQQ here, so yeah, you can see the Qs are coming down pretty hard. That actually cautions me to think. Let's take a look at TNX. Did the Treasury 10-year pop? Yes, it did. Slightly, nothing too crazy. Okay, nothing crazy. Let's see. Maybe they're seeing what you see. Do you like Neo retracing back to 45? So Neo's been an interesting company to watch, to be honest. They used to follow suit with Tesla. They kind of had some interesting divergence, I should say. Personally, I think Neo might come a little bit lower in the year. We'll have to see how the earnings are, because right here it's hitting trendline resistance and it hasn't popped above. It did pop above previously, like last quarter. But I think we might retrace back in 30, and I think it was kind of like, I don't want to say a meme stock because it is a solid company, but I just think it needs some sort of new catalyst to kind of really push it and get volume. But you could see, I mean, current volume here is trading around 100 mil. You know, back when it was kind of popular, is over a billion in volume. So have to see what happens. Here's 3,400 on Amazon, still dropping, picking up at 3,401.14, but still red, which has been getting milked all the way down. 3,401. Let's see how it takes it. Market's still coming down. No crazy headlines yet outside of the tapering news. So yeah, so I think that one of the things we got to see with Neo will be their earnings catalyst. They've had reporting different. Let's just say that.